Canon EOS M50 Mark II. This compact and sophisticated entry-level mirrorless camera is an excellent choice for vloggers and photographers seeking superior photo and video quality in a portable design. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II, with its 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, is an affordable solution for beginners transitioning from smartphones or point-and-shoot cameras. With features tailored to content creators, it's set to make quite an impression in the market. It's capable of capturing up to 10 frames per second, outperforming the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 250D DLSR, also featured on our list as a top entry-level camera. Its speed is sufficient for action-packed scenes like wildlife photography or sports events. A distinctive feature of the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is its user-friendly guide mode, designed to assist novice photographers. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, this camera is perfect for spontaneous shots or recording and live streaming vlogs. Despite its compact size, it provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle during extended shooting sessions. The impressive burst rate of 10 FPS, typically found in high-end cameras, is another highlight of the M50 Mark II. This feature allows you to capture crisp images of fast-moving subjects like animals, athletes, or vehicles. For social media enthusiasts, the EOS M50 Mark II offers vertical video recording capabilities, ideal for platforms like TikTok and Instagram that favor vertical formats. This feature eliminates the need for post-production edits, and you can even live stream directly to YouTube. Images captured by this camera are vibrant and highly detailed. However, the absence of in-body image stabilization means you might want to invest in a gimbal or tripod for stability when using slow shutter speeds. The ISO range of 125/600 is quite generous, enabling you to shoot in low-light conditions and making it suitable for astrophotography. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.